Chapter 28, Steering Systems and Integral Steering Gears, Day 1, Video 4, Steering Knuckle. So when we're talking about the steering knuckle, that's what all that steering gear and all the linkage is used to change the angle of our steering knuckle. This little component right here, the steering knuckle. We've got the spindle coming off one side here, so our tire and wheel and hub, wheel bearings and all that would be located here, and then our brake drums surrounding that. So a lot of the wheel ends are supported by the steering knuckle on the steering spindle on the steering knuckle. So although steering effort is used to move this steering knuckle at a different angle, we've got the steering axle coming across. So this is the I-beam axle, the spring mount with our leaf springs coming through here, attaching onto the suspension, and then coming out here to the end, the eyelet here in the end, and now we've got the kingpin coming through that would go through the steering knuckle and through the center of that eyelet on the end of the axle, allowing that steering knuckle to turn on an arc, change directions. So part of the input is put in here to the steering arm. In this example here is a removable steering arm. Generally now they are cast as one piece, so you'll have the steering arm, the knuckle, and then the Ackerman arm all cast as one piece together. Steering effort is so the linear motion taken in here, input into the steering arm, that's attached to the steering knuckle, and that would cause the steering knuckle to change its angle as it pivots through the kingpin here, or the knuckle pin, turning right or turning left. That same motion is then transferred down here to the Ackerman arm, and then so we're going to connect the driver's side to the passenger side over here through this Ackerman arm with a tie rod in, the cross tube coming over. Same thing on the other side, we're going to have a tie rod and an Ackerman arm on the passenger side steering knuckle.